Oh, hi there. Nice to see you guys. My name is Chris, and actually, I shouldn't be here with you because I'm not the dealer and I don't know anything about selling airplanes. Anything at all. I'm just a video maker working for Tecnam since many years. I made all of videos you saw today, even these shots right now. So I shouldn't be here with you, but making videos for Tecnam gave me an unique opportunity to have a closer look at something really special. And I want to share it with you. When I'm filming workers at Tecnam's facilities, I feel the unique positive energy from them. They are not just collecting parts together, they create airplanes, the most beautiful ones, the most efficient ones. Every time I look at them, I feel this magical connection between artist and art. And when I'm filming CEOs working together with employees, I see the responsibility for what they are creating. Precision and this unique gift they have to make good even better, to make fast even faster, to be proud of what they built, feeling heritage left by the legend, the Professore Luigi Pascala. And every takeoff, every single flight of these airplanes is like magic, because all this company is some kind of magic. More than 70 years on the market, brand new models released, big entry of Traveler, and the philosophy to sell something more than just airplanes. Actually, you sell the joy and the pleasure of living among the clouds. Everyone in this company knows that the dealer's contribution has got a huge impact on the future of Tecnam, of aviation, of your customers. And this future looks as beautiful as these planes. So thank you for your involvement, passion, ideas and cooperation. Together we are stronger.